Imagine a career where every breath you support makes a difference in your community. In rural Missouri, the need for qualified respiratory therapists has never been greater. That's why the Missouri Health Professions Consortium brings together 5 Missouri community colleges to expand access to high-quality respiratory care training. You'll build strong critical thinking skills, learn to assess and treat cardiopulmonary conditions, master hands-on technical skills, and develop the communication and professionalism expected of registered respiratory therapists.
All right, how does that feel?
The average median salary for a respiratory therapist is $77,000, with unlimited potential for growth and advancement. Start a meaningful healthcare career close to home. Discover respiratory care training through the MHPC today.